What if I told you this luxury jacket wasn't made from leather at all? It was made from mushrooms. Today, we're going inside the factory turning fungi into fashion. What began as a simple mushroom is transformed through groundbreaking biofabrication into the future of high fashion.
Today, we'll follow the complete journey from mushrooms to a luxury jacket worn by consumers around the world.
The next time you see a luxury jacket, it might not come from an animal at all, and it might have started life as a mushroom.
Beneath our feet lies the wood wide web, an intricate network of mycelium connecting vast ecosystems. Look at the differentiation here, right near the center. I see it. The hyphase are showing increased resistance.
The biometric data on the tremella spiked significantly in the last hour. The humidity levels look stable on the tablet, maybe a sensor anomaly. What happens next is where the real transformation begins. These tiny mushroom fibers will eventually become luxury fashion material.
The tensile strength on this batch is exceptional. Noted. The growth consistency is also higher than the previous run.
Be careful with the scraping. I want to preserve the structure.
Got it. It looks healthy. Let's weigh this one now. How is the tensile strength looking on the current batch?
It's exceeding projections, then we should be ready for harvest by tomorrow.
Look at how it flexes under stress. The mycelium weave is incredibly strong. Yes, and the thermal resistance is higher than expected according to these readings.
It's starting to look less like a mushroom and more like a luxury material. But the biggest transformation is still ahead.
The fibers look consistent here. What's the data saying? Mycelium density is up 5%. We are ready to scale.
Look at this inconsistency in the fiber structure right here.
Yes, I see it. It appears slightly delaminated. We should log this.
see how these rolls are transformed into premium luxury jackets worth hundreds of dollars. The mushroom material has become fabric. Now it enters the finishing department, where it gains the premium look and feel of luxury fashion.
It creases well, the softness is definitely there. Yep, yeah.
And the machine data shows consistent flexibility across cycles.
Look at this grain. It's almost indistinguishable from real leather.
The tensile strength is also exceeding our projections. We finally did it.
At this point, most people would never guess this material came from mushrooms. Next, it becomes a luxury jacket.
I think the navy works better with the tan.
It really does. And the olive green has a beautiful depth. Let's select these two.
The texture on this terracotta is remarkable, almost like a fine suede. Look at the sheen.
It drapes beautifully too. I think we have our selections. Let's make a note. The delta E is within tolerance here. Yes, the saturation is consistent across the bolt. We can approve this batch.
The dye absorption here is nearly perfect. See how the light catches the pile.
Yes, the color richness is exceptional.
It passes the verification.
Ensure the edges are perfectly aligned before stacking. Yes, I'll double check this pile.
The stitching on this bomber jacket is perfect, ready for the showroom floor.
Cross-linking structure looks strong. See the fiber density here? I do. The analysis confirms a higher elasticity than the last batch.
jackets are complete. Next, you'll see the luxury quality inspections, premium packaging.
Data confirms minimal wear at the seam. Excellent. The new fiber blend is a success.
See how this seam sits. It needs more ease. Okay, I've logged the adjustment for the charcoal. How is the waist on the green?
Ensure the grain matches the control sample. Yes, sir. Perfectly aligned. Very good. Send it through.
Are the new jackets secured? Yes, manager. They are heading to the high security aisle now.
The factory work is complete, but the journey isn't over yet. These jackets are about to travel around the world.
Images. This is the breakthrough we needed. The mycelium structure is flawless.
And the engineers optimized the yield by 20%.
Bring it here. Careful with the turn.
Confirmed. Get the next pallet ready now.
The texture is incredible. I've never felt anything like this leather. This isn't just a jacket, it's the future of fashion. The texture and durability of our mushroom leather truly redefine luxury.
I absolutely love this texture. It fits perfectly. I'll take it.
The future of fashion may already be here.
Subscribe for the next incredible factory story.